My truck is running fine now. It was a bad distributor assembly. The whole distributor assembly was bad. It was made in China, one off of Amazon. So I recommend buying an OEM replacement one instead of the one that was made in China. It had a bad control module, bad pickup coil, and it was just the whole assembly was bad in general. So be careful when you buy those distributors on Amazon, because they'll crap out early. And that was what was causing the sudden spikes on the RPM as the truck was running, turning it to idle. Then also I had custom made spark plug wire set on there that had the spark plug boots that were straight instead of the 90-degree, and I put boot protectors on there, but the boot protectors were too close to the manifold, exhaust manifold, and they were getting hot. In turn, they were melting my boot spark plug boots that were supposed to protect it and prevent it from arcing out, but they melted the boots through the spark plug boot protectors, and it started arcing off onto the exhaust manifold, which was causing my misfires and making my truck surge up and down. And that fixed the issue. So replace spark plugs and spark plug wires and ensure that they are good. Other than that, the distributor was the causing the sudden jump in the RPM needle with a bad distributor. Okay, I hope this helps anybody else, but bye.